It was a sunny Saturday morning. Anna woke up early, feeling excited. Today was special because she planned to visit the city park. She quickly got ready, brushing her teeth and washing her face. She put on her favorite blue jacket and comfortable sneakers. As she walked outside, she noticed the air was fresh and cool. Birds were chirping softly, and the leaves on the trees swayed gently with the wind. She took a deep breath and smiled. It felt good to start the day like this. On her way to the park, Anna passed by a small bakery. The smell of fresh bread and sweet pastries made her stomach growl. She decided to buy a chocolate croissant. Holding it in her hand, she continued walking, enjoying each bite slowly. When Anna reached the park, she saw many people around. Children were playing on the swings, and dogs ran happily across the grass. Some people were jogging, and others sat on benches reading books. Anna found a quiet spot near a large oak tree and sat down. She took out her notebook and started writing. Writing in the park always helped her feel relaxed. The sun was warm on her face, and she could hear laughter from children playing nearby. Anna smiled and wrote a few sentences about the peaceful morning. After writing for a while, she decided to take a short walk. She followed a small path that led to a pond. Ducks swam calmly in the water, and a few people were feeding them. Anna stopped and watched. She loved moments like this, simple and calm. Then, Anna noticed a small group practicing yoga under another tree. She watched them for a few minutes, seeing how peaceful and focused they looked. It reminded her to take deep breaths and relax her own body. She joined in for a few stretches, feeling the tension leave her shoulders. Next, Anna walked to the playground where children were playing. She smiled at their energy and laughter. She saw a little boy trying to climb the jungle gym. His mother encouraged him gently, and soon he reached the top. The joy in his face made Anna laugh quietly. Feeling a bit hungry again, Anna sat on a bench and opened her water bottle. She drank slowly, enjoying the cool water. Around her, families enjoyed picnics. Friends chatted, and the city noise seemed distant here. It felt like a small escape from the busy world. As the afternoon came, the sun started to lower in the sky. Anna knew it was almost time to go home. She stood up, stretched her arms, and looked around the park one last time. Everything seemed calm and bright, and she felt grateful for the day. On her way back home, Anna thought about all the small moments she enjoyed. The birds, the ducks, the laughter of children, and even the chocolate croissant. She realized that happiness often comes from little things we notice every day. By the time she reached her apartment, the sky was painted with soft orange and pink colors. Anna smiled again, feeling content. She promised herself to visit the park more often.